It's a masterpiece. It doesn't really lend itself to very quick explanation, but it's about art, it's about love, but really it's about people and their struggles and their searching and seeking to fill their souls and find happiness and their failings.
They have an extraordinary sense of humor and they have an extraordinary grit.
And frequently in the Seagull, the characters are passionate about things they can't have. They're pursuing a dream that's not theirs. And so the play becomes very much about them trying to struggle through that, which is exactly what we all do. Ames Farm is beautiful. It has a lot of history for this community, but for the play, it forms this beautiful hybrid background for the story. The play is very much set on a Russian estate on a lake, and for us the lake is the Atlantic Ocean, and we are using the old orchard that's there and then performing inside the barn. But I think we'll hear the universality of the play in a way that we're not used to. I think it's a play that's really for everyone. It is a play for all communities, and I think the Opera House arts community is really going to tap into this in a real way.
Yeah, you should come.
It's really beautiful, and to have the opportunity to work on a play like Seagull is extraordinary.